Today, we're making a very rich and comforting bean stew using the simplest ingredients. Hi, I'm Aram and welcome to my YouTube channel Vamidanu. So I'm going to start by cooking the beans. I'll cook the beans by adding enough water to some thoroughly cleaned or thoroughly washed beans, and I'll add some onions to that. Then I'll cover and allow that cook on medium heat for roughly 30 minutes or till the beans is nice and soft. Whilst the beans is cooking, I'm going to start with the palm oil stew base. So I'll heat up enough palm oil in a pan, add some sliced onions and cured fish, locally known as momone or lamfifi. Adding the cured fish is optional, by the way, so I'm going to stir fry that till the onions are soft or beautifully caramelized. Next, I'll add some tomato paste to that and fry for roughly 3 to 5 minutes till I have something like this. I'm also going to be adding some fresh tomatoes, so in goes my roughly chopped tomatoes. I'll allow that to cook for an additional 3 minutes and add a blend of pepper, onion, ginger and garlic. Mix till it is nicely incorporated or beautifully combined, and then I'll go right ahead to season that with some seasoning tablet and salt to taste. I'll then give that a good mix and cook for about 7 minutes on medium heat. Then I'm going to add some canned mackerel in tomato sauce. So in goes the canned mackerel together with the tomato sauce. I'll give that a gentle and a very good mix. After adding the canned mackerel to the palm oil stew base, it is very important that you allow that to cook properly. This helps to reduce the slippery texture the canned fish sometimes tend to have. So I'm going to cook that for roughly 20 to 25 minutes under medium heat, turning occasionally so that it doesn't burn on the bottom. So I'm going to quickly check on the beans, and once it's nice and soft, then the beans is cooked. So this is what the stew is currently looking like. The 25 minutes is up and the stew is less slippery or slimy. Once I'm convinced that the stew is cooked, I'm going to add some fried beef to that. I will also add the cooked beans to that as well. And mix very well. Mix till it is evenly combined, mix till it is well incorporated. That is, the stew and the beans come together as one. And finally, I'm going to be adding some sliced onions and green scotch bonnets for extra flavor. This part is completely optional as well. So after adding the beans, the beef, the sliced onion and the paposhuto, I'll let that cook for an additional 3 to 5 minutes, and as simple as that, the bean stew should be ready. Also, what is bean stew without some fried plantain on the side? So I'm going to be peeling some plantains, slice that into my desired shape, add a bit of salt, mix and turn, and then go ahead to deep fry till it is nice and golden brown like this. Then I'll quickly take that out of the oil and set aside for later. The bean stew is officially cooked and ready to be served now. It looks really good, if I do say so myself. So I paired that with the fried plantain, some avocado and boiled eggs, and I really loved it. This is definitely a must try, so do give it a try. Anyway, we've come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, if you found it useful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes from me. Thank you for watching and bye.